Stop fumbling around your toolbox looking for the right tool. Make your life easier with the nifty tool that really nails it. Introducing the multifunctional tool set. Made from high-quality stainless steel with an aluminium handle, it includes a shifter, a hammer, a file, a pair of pliers and a wire cutter, a penknife and a serrated knife, plus a screwdriver with 6 different bits. With a nylon carry case, you can take it with you wherever you go. It's a must-have for the car, boat, garage, or around the home. Get the job done first time, every time. Order your multifunctional tool set today.